Hey there, hair care enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into a spicy little secret that could supercharge your hair growth. Ginger! Yep, that zesty root isn't just for your favorite dishes. Let's get into how ginger can benefit your hair and the best ways to use it. Let's talk about the benefits of ginger for hair growth. 1. It stimulates blood circulation. Ginger contains gingerol, which can improve blood flow to your scalp. Better circulation means your hair follicles get more nutrients and oxygen, promoting hair growth. 2. It reduces inflammation. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe your scalp and reduce dandruff, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. 3. Ginger has antimicrobial properties. These help combat scalp infections that could hinder hair growth. 4. It nourishes hair follicles. Ginger is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that strengthen your hair strands and nourish your follicles. 5. It reduces hair loss. By improving scalp health and reducing inflammation, ginger can help reduce hair loss and breakage. Now let's see how to use ginger for hair growth. 1. Ginger oil. You can buy ginger essential oil or make your own by infusing fresh ginger in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Massage the ginger oil into your scalp in circular motions and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out with shampoo. Do this 2 times a week. 2. Ginger juice. Grate fresh ginger and squeeze out the juice. Apply the juice directly to your scalp using a cotton ball or your fingers. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour and then wash it off. Again, 2 times a week is perfect. 3. Ginger hair mask. Mix ginger juice with other beneficial ingredients like honey, coconut oil, or aloe vera. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, then rinse it out with warm water and shampoo. Do this once a week. 4. Ginger shampoo. Add a few drops of ginger essential oil to your regular shampoo. Use this regularly as you would with any shampoo. A few tips for using ginger safely. Always perform a patch test on your skin before applying ginger to your scalp to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions. If ginger juice or essential oil feels too strong, dilute it with a carrier oil or water to avoid irritation. And remember, avoid overuse. Using ginger too frequently or in high concentrations can lead to scalp irritation, so stick to the recommended usage frequencies. So there you have it. Ginger can be a fantastic addition to your hair care routine, especially if you're looking for natural ways to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips. See you next time.